Good morning. Should get some PRs here in the next minute. I did not have a pretty 4 a.m. pop play, so I'll go over that shortly, but let's see if we get any PRs here. And Steven will be joining, I assume, at some point. He said he was. So let me know if y'all can hear me. Dude, you can text me, bro. It's the same link that I sent you in Circle. I'm screen sharing now, so I'm not going to make a new link. But even if you go to Circle, it's the same link we always use. I just had to update the time.
Hope you.
Yo.
Yeah, what's up?
Bro, I literally don't know what happened. My phone did not let me know that you texted me.
It's on silent, or it has the notification, whatever it says.
Is it on Do Not Disturb?
Yeah.
Damn.
You good, bro? I'll wait last minute to do that. Anyways, I was having a little pissy fit this morning, anyways, because I had my biggest loss of the month at 4 a.m.
Really?
By a long shot.
Really?
Look at this. Look at this.
Where are you at? Hold on. Are you sharing your screen right now?
Yeah, VAPE.
I can't see your screen at all.
Oh, you just pull up the ticker then. I don't know.
VAPE?
Yeah.
Oh.
It went up to 200 from $9.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I'm wondering if I should play this fade here, though.
That's a pretty big fucking spike.
Yeah, I got destroyed.
What was the news?
No news. The 4 a.m.s, there's never usually news. It's just a pump, but it was too small of a float. I shouldn't even mess with it. But I got in right here where it was consolidating around 62, 63 bucks. Okay, so you can't see you want me to share in Zoom so you can see the what I'm sharing?
Or are you on YouTube? I thought you were talking about you sharing your screen on Zoom.
I'm sharing it on YouTube.
Okay, yeah, I'm watching now.
Okay, cool. But anyways, I guess I want to see if anything else is moving.
Yeah, I got let me see. So I was in, let's see. I'm in CELC right now, but this thing is just like stuck. I don't know what it's doing. And then I got in TRUG, and I played that, and I made a cool little something on that. But I'm in CELC right now, and it's fucking just like pitter pattering. Like it's not moving at all. It's like literally just stuck.
I muted myself. I muted myself accidentally, but MCVT looks like it's finally getting ready to come down.
Yeah, that's crazy, bro. on that VAPE. That's crazy.
Oh, I'm so pissed, bro. But whatever.
Did you get back in on the backside?
Yeah, but I mean, dude, my account went negative. I'm surprised I didn't get it liquidated.
Oh, wow.
Something faulted. This is why I don't trade heavy, bro. Like, it's the ones I go heavy in, it's the crap that happens to me, but whatever. So whenever it was consolidating here around 405 to 425, I added heavier, and then in a matter of like basically 2 candles, dude, I can describe how quick it went. It went from 73 to $200. It only says to 173 here, but TradeZero shows it going up to 200, and I remember seeing it in the 199. So, yeah, I was just trying to liquidate it ASAP, because if it can go from 75 to 200, it can go from 200 to 2,000 in seconds, and then your trading career can be over with one play. Crazy though. It got rocked. But I ended up only losing. I mean, I still have my account. So CELC, I keep seeing y'all talk about this one. Let me see. This might be how So what are you saying, Saber, about it? Be careful, it has news and halted. Is it halted right now? What's the news? Let me get my stuff pulled up. I think Steven's cat turned off his computer, so he'll be back in a second. But yeah, not my favorite morning, to say the least. But that's part of trading, especially these 4 a.m. pops. So I got rocked. It is what it is. So what is CELC? You said it has news.
What's up?
What's up?
None. Did you see my text?
Yeah.
Fucking annoying.
That's the theme of the morning for me, bro.
Man. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear about that, bro. That's fucking...
Oh, you remember how bad I didn't want to hop on this live stream too? I almost canceled that crap. This crap
Really?
was like, bro, yeah, this is my biggest loss in probably 2 months. So whatever. I don't feel like talking about it right now though, but I still have my account. So it is what it is. So CELC ended up with phase 3 trial news.
Yeah, something about they might be ready for something. It's like a hypothetical. I don't know. The news is bullshit, but I'm fucking... Yeah, I hopped in on a big red candle, but I hopped in at the bottom, so I'm just sitting in it. I'm gonna see what happens.
Oh, you in it right now?
Yeah.
In the halt? Ooh.
Yeah, it's fine.
You're not in too heavy?
No, not really.
Good. This thing might open at 100.
Fuck. Yeah, that's fucking... yeah, it's so much for being a good Monday.
I know, right? Now you're probably good, but halt up in pre-market, that's scary, bro. Because these things usually, when they unhalt, go.
Yeah, it's gonna go buck wild.
Buck wild, and if it wants to be anything like vape, but now we'll see. Can't predict the future. Maybe it's not. And you said you're not in too heavy, so that's good. But that was my problem with VAPE. I was in way too heavy because I thought that thing was about to drop. And
well, that's that anomaly, bro. That's that one that you never can guess which one it's gonna be.
Yeah,
just out of random, bro.
And that's kind of been the story for me lately, though. I've been good at finding those. So, but it had a tiny float. I might just start avoiding these ones with the floats under 1 million.
Oh, the float was under 1 million?
Yeah. So, okay, I'm gonna start looking at the comments now. I'm getting my setup. I'm gonna be like I said, like I told y'all, I was not in the best mood this morning. So I'm trying not to be annoyed all live stream. Let me get AskEdgar pulled up too. Let me look at the comments. SMX, sorry, Saber, I missed that, but I got it where I can see it now. Scotty Pippen, do y'all always trade pre-market? Always is a strong word, but lately, yes. And the reason why I said it like that, not to be like a dick, because it wasn't always. I trade after hours, market hours, but I've been trading more pre-market mostly lately.
Are you back in vape, bro?
Yeah, but I'm not in heavy enough. I should, though, try to get all my the plan was if there was some crazy crap moving at 7, I was going to go a little bit more heavy in it because I do think it's going to fade at this point.
Yeah, it's probably done now.
But maybe after CELC opens, I might add more to it. Are you in it?
CELC?
I know
Vape?
you're in vape. Yeah.
No, that's a little too. That's a little too far out of my comfort.
The problem is if it reverses, it's already shown it can get up to 200. I'm only in 200 shares, about a 10K position.
Yeah.
I'm going to be trading heavy this morning, try to come back from that one. Man, you don't know how, you know, Steven, the kind of the struggle the last couple months. So this one hurts a little bit.
Yeah. You're resilient though, bro. You'll get it back, bro. Might take you a little longer. You have to size down or whatever, but you'll get it back. You get it back.
So, what should I be looking at, guys? So I'm in MCVT and let me make this one screen now. I feel like I'm a little scattered this morning, so apologies. MCVT. So yeah, it's MCVT. It finally broke past the little 10 that 10 area that it kept bouncing off of. So this play is fundamentally not that bad of a company, and they don't have any open offerings. So again, I think this fades hard along with vape fading hard if something else like starts running here, but I don't currently see what that is, so we'll get some more pops here soon, but depending on how CELC opens, we'll see. But so when did they hold it?
It's been halted for a minute.
At 6:55, and they dropped the 7 o'clock phase 3 trial.
Look at SMX.
Let's see, SMX. Somebody, Saber, I think, put that in the chat.
Yeah, go Saber. It doesn't have any news either.
Yeah, I'm not interested. It's only up 20%. Y'all can make some money on it, but I'm not good at these. I like to see them up a little bit more. every time I get in a size up 20%, it goes to 50 or 100%. So I'm gonna wait.
PHIO, what's up with that? It's too early. This is a fader from last week.
Well, vape and MCVT at least is fading. Okay, we're getting some more news. Let's see. Let's see what it is. Bitcoin news, BMNR, or Bitmine immersion. But nothing else looks that good. The crazy thing about vape, bro, I was up 3K in it and I held it because I was like, oh, this one's going to fade.
Oh, it's fading hard now.
And basically what I was expecting to do earlier, but I didn't know it was going to go to 200 first.
Yeah, it went in a matter of like, it went 1,500% in a matter of fucking minutes.
Yeah, and it was pretty heavy, and I was just trying to get out because, again, if it goes from 75 to 200 in like one candle, it can go from 200 to 1,000 in another candle. Y'all are playing SMX, looking pretty good.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's crazy about CELC though. So they halted, so it pumps prior to the news dropping. Is that, or did the news drop, then it pumped, and then they halted?
Let's see.
I think the news came out at 7. So that's just weird chain of events. It pumps.
Well, so they dropped the news. Reuters dropped something like an hour ago and was like they expected to submit new drug application. And so for Q4, and then that's when it started to pump. And then 15 minutes ago they dropped that those results for that phase 3 or whatever.
I see. So yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah. I'm gonna be honest, bro. I haven't seen something halt up in pre-market in forever. Hey, Martin.
I'm trying not to be doomsday because I don't want this to play out. But last time I've seen it, it was something similar like this, and it did go ham. But maybe it doesn't open high though. The problem is when they halt is where's it saying it's gonna? Does it show where it's looking like it might open at? You know how it'll show the ask and the bid? No, it's not saying anything. No, but y'all probably be fine. But if this thing starts running, I wouldn't stay in it long.
Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get out if need be.
Yeah, I'm glad you're not in heavy though. Yeah, SMX not wanting to give back its gains.
Oh.
Yeah, if it gets up to probably more to the 50% range, I might get interested, but for y'all's sake, I hope it drops. I'm not seeing that much. There's resistance up here at 359, but not seeing much before that.
Yeah, it's not looking too good.
5 minutes, it's hideous. At least it's not, again, that's what screaming with vape is. It goes from 75 to 200 in like a minute. This is at least it's slowly grinding up.
Yeah, I'm getting out.
What level did I say? 3. It's about 359. I'll look at it. Martin, how's it going, bro? Oh, you screwed up with NCPT? Wait till you hear about what I did with VAPE, bro. Seems like we're all kind of off our A game this morning a little bit. We'll figure it out here shortly.
Yeah, that end of month call is going to be interesting now.
Yeah, my depending on how the next few days go, my demeanor might be completely different than what I thought it was.
Right.
Bro, babe, I got to get over this one, but this one hurt. Now your things would have to go completely sideways for you, bro, for you to still not have a successful month, though. So
Shit, it could happen though.
it definitely could happen. But and I only say that just so you know, you always remember that.
Keep it humble.
Yeah. But you're good. You're in green, but ...
Right.
Yeah, Martin. I screwed up with oh, you in green still though, bro? I don't want to hear it, man. To see my realized gains right now. Oh. Do you know the resumption? Oh, did it? Do you know the resumption? Say, I don't know what you mean. Like what time it'll be resuming? I don't. I don't think they usually disclose that.
No, that's not usually a thing.
Because that kind of defeats the purpose of a hold, I think. Everybody's waiting for it to resume. I could be wrong.
Go.
Could be wrong though. Oh, so it's 7:30. I didn't know they disclosed that. So SMX hit 3. Looks like it's
Looks like it might fade now.
yeah, but again, I'm not interested until it probably gets up here about 350, 340. I'll start looking for a position. I don't like these slow grinders like this. Saber phase 3 news should be insane move. Yeah, no, I'm not trying to scare y'all that's in it, but a halt before phase 3 news release. I don't think it's an ideal situation. Let's just say that. And I'm moving my mic closer. I know I always get told y'all can barely hear me, so hopefully that helps. But yeah, no, I'll pull it up around 7:30. And y'all can we'll watch it, see how it plays out.
And it goes parabolic.
Hopefully not, but ATHE might get a pop here. Good phase 2 news was just released, but it fools me, and they have fooled me in the past. So let's see. ATHE. Oh yeah, nice little pop. Geez, just going off the screen. I'll pull it back up in a second, but I gotta get my locates.
ATHE.
Beat you to it. And I gotta quit pulling it up for y'all first. I missed the dang play. Whatever. Oh man, one of those days. I use TradeZero, and if you're interested in shorting, you need a short specific broker. I use TradeZero. They've won best short selling broker like 5 years in a row. Good locate prices and mobile app, web app, PC app. So I highly recommend them. So that's what most of us use, Scotty. Oh, thanks, Martin. Yeah, I have a link in the description. A little, there's some incentive. You get some money back, discount off locates, and free software. A lot of us use TradeZero here. I have, like I said, the link in the description, but feel free to look at other short selling brokers as well. But you'll probably find out TradeZero's one of the better ones. Dang, straight up miss ATHE.
I caught it.
Nice.
Yeah, I've been on ChatGPT, like refining some shit, trying to figure out just figure out what's probably the best like parameters for what I should be looking at most of all. That's why I was texting you yesterday, because I was trying to figure out what I was trying to fill in the blanks on some prompts that GPT was responding with.
Yeah, no, that's a good way to use it, bro. I use it all the time for my businesses, especially my real estate stuff. That doesn't come natural to me, so
Right.
I mean, it's just the paperwork is so complex, but I'll use it for trading some. Okay, we're getting some PRs.
ENTX.
ENTX. I think my buying power is almost all used up because I'm in heavy with this fade now. Is that what it was? ENTX. That's a nice little pop. Do you think it helped you dial in some things, bro?
Yeah, it helped me narrow my search for like what I was trying to do, what I'm trying to look for as far as like stock selection and stuff like that. What I'm gonna mostly focus on.
What is there? So what's the difference from what you were doing? Is it more
I
like
just narrowed down
volume,
the
flow? What?
yeah, it's more so flow. I just narrowed down the flow, and here, let me see. Let me look at the prompt so I don't give you any.
Well, I was just curious if you're trying to avoid, because I might, after today, with what happened with vape, I might start avoiding the ones under $1 million, to be honest.
Yeah, the lowest I'm trying to go is $1 million.
Because the crazy thing is, I'm actually very profitable with less than $1 million float, but today might change that a little bit.
Just a little.
Yeah, nah, it's not gonna look as good. That's for sure.
Right. Yeah, it's more so it's like 1 to 20 mil
Yeah.
float are like my bread and butter.
Good morning, Trend Raider. Resumption showing 31, not bad. I thought you said it was on halting at 7:30. Where'd you find that, Saber? So I can find that in the future. I didn't know they should disclose that. But yeah, if it opens at 31, that's not bad.
$31's a good open.
Yeah. If it opens at 31, that's not bad. Yeah, I see what you're saying, Saber. On mine, it says the bid 31. The ask is blank, so that's a little scary, but there probably will be a play with CELC. That's crazy though. It's already up. It's already up 100%, or it looks like it. Yeah, 113. So ENTX. I ended up not playing this one, but it's below VWAP now. We'll see if it bounces back. I can't be in a lot of positions today because I gave back some of my account. Y'all know I like to be honest with y'all. I did not play vape well. If y'all are in ENTX, looks like it's fading now.
Hey, I'm red too on the day too, just to make you feel better.
Nope. I want you to be green, bro. I don't want you to suffer just because I'm suffering. Now, I've had the last 2 weeks, I think I only had one red day, so I was due for one. But I didn't want it to be this kind of red day, but
Right.
yeah, all good. I've lost more in the past, so
Yeah, what was that one that you did the interview on? Was it DRUG?
yeah, DRUG. Yeah, DRUG lost 76K. And then later that week, I lost 25K. So I had a drawdown of 100K on my account.
Mm.
Took me 2.5 months to get it back, but good lesson learned. Good lesson learned. I knew what I did wrong there, and I knew when I was doing it what I did wrong. Hoping and praying, holding on and hoping and praying. You can't do that. You got to cut it at some point. But I like to learn the hard way. But I've made it back and more, so that'll be the story with Babe. It wasn't nearly 75K though, so I'm good.
Yeah, that's good. Thank God.
It was 25. And I'm down to 15K now. So I'm only down 15K on the day. I already recovered 10 of it. But I had to play heavier than I wanted to get there though. So did you play ENTX?
Yeah.
Let's go. Nice. CRVO. Okay.
Ooh. Announced 32-week data from extension phase 2.
Man, a lot of biotech news today.
A lot.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Looks like it's getting some resistance around the 15 level all the way up to 17. It's wicked in the past.
Talking about CRVO.
No. Oh, yeah. Yes, the RVO. Yeah. For now.
It's kind of tanking at the moment. Uh-oh. Great.
It's a crazy recovery.
Yeah, that was insane.
So it where did it wick up to? So yeah, it's getting in this resistance area where it likes to pop. Pull up AskEdgar. See what the story is on this one. The reason I'm curious is because it's hanging above the 200. Usually decent so it's very red. They need cash. Only has 4.3 months of cash left and high dilution risk, according to AskEdgar.
So it's not good. Not good for them. So I should have clarified.
And just so y'all know, when CELC does unhalt, pay attention to tickers like these. And obviously, as you know, can't give financial advice. This is educational purposes only. But what I will be paying attention to, I assume when CELC unhalts, it's going to get a lot of attention. Things like CRVO, as long as they're not like breaking new highs, they should fade. Attention is going to be on CELC when it unhalts. So, and it's easy to focus on the play that's running, but sometimes the best plays are the ones that are getting forgotten about, where people are closing their positions to get into another play. So just FYI. It would be nice if you can make a screen record of you trading, entering and exit trades, just as an example, maybe. Yes, it's kind of hard because I trade mobile, but I usually tell y'all where I'm entering and exiting. But I'll look into it. I will look into it. Like, what are you looking for specifically? Like, how I'll get my locates and all that? Because I know you're new. And by the way, I reached out to TradeZero for you, by the way. I'll have to check to see if they responded to me. But I was like, hey, hook this guy up. He used my link. Why y'all giving him a hard time? Oh, here it is. It says, hi, Justin. I've opened a ticket to the tech team to assign to your affiliate and to ensure he gets his incentives. We'll confirm once it's completed. So my dude's on it at TradeZero. He's replying early. Bro, open CLEC. This would be a good time before CRVO breaks a new high.
I know.
I'm in pretty heavy too, because I got to trade heavy today to recover from that dang loss earlier.
Yeah, it's I don't know what it's like, pitter pattern around the highs, but there it goes. Starting to get back some of those gains.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't break above 1486, we're probably good. But it's definitely respecting VWAP. Every time it falls below it, it bounces right back up. Also contact them. I completed some extra information that was missing and also send them the link for your partnership. I'll wait for a reply. Thanks for helping me. Of course. Of course. Yeah, let me know if you don't get what you need, but I think my little rep, he'll make sure you get set up.
Yeah, it's like totally respecting VWAP right now.
I know this is a good spot if like something does start stealing his attention right now, like a confirmation below VWAP. So maybe see what some of this news that just came out was. Nothing. Ooh, that's an ugly candle now. Yeah, not surprised it broke a new high.
Getting out. I'm getting fucking smoked this morning, dude.
Same. Now it's back under 15. I wish I knew when CELC was going to unhalt, and then I would just time it with this entry a little bit better, but one of those mornings. But yeah, not the best morning. Battling some demons earlier, bro. Oof, with that
Oh, I
loss.
believe it.
God. I tried to go back to sleep because I like to wake up at 4, stay up for a little bit, then go back to sleep, wake up before the live stream starts. And yeah, no way I was going back to sleep. So I just stayed up.
Sitting there staring at your computer screen like, man, fuck.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's probably a good plan. You're going to see, you'll hear a lot of the downside of it today because I didn't really elaborate on VAPE, but since it's a little slow right now, yeah. So these low flows are the ones to be cautious about. Let me remove my remove one draw. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the downside to shorting. Something can go from $9 all the way to 175 bucks. TradeZero said 200, but let's just say 175 in the matter of a few candles. So I didn't have the best risk management, nor did I have a good chance to get out of this play. So that's the downside of the 4 a.m. pop. They usually fade, but if it's a low float and it gets volume, it can get ugly quick. And it got ugly quick. Uh-oh. STXS should probably pop here. They got FDA clearance. But it's for a sweep catheter. I don't know how the market will respond to that. Let's see. Not much. But I'm going to keep an eye on CRVO, though. I know it's looking bullish now, but if CELC, well, STXS is getting a little bit of attention now, but still barely moving, though. But yeah, I'll be paying attention to CRVO and CELC unhalts. Which one did you take a big hit on today? Yeah, vape. Yeah. I was due. Honestly, I was due for a loss. I think I'm green 9 of the 10 the last days, so I was due. But I was hoping that due was not as big as this one was, but that's how it happens sometimes. I should have anything under 1 million. I shouldn't have been shorting. It's not like a rule for me, but it might be soon though.
There we go.
Are you in it?
Yes, sir. Yep, I'm in it. I just needed to respect VWAP and cut through the shit. Or not respect VWAP, sorry.
Trend Raider said, how much you lost on that? 25K. I lost 25K. I've made 10K of it back. So I'm at 15, down 15K on the day. Having to play heavy today. I don't like playing this heavy, but I got payroll I got to hit. It's pay week. Oh man, this is I'm getting out of CRVO. Somebody's going to pump it up. I'm not saying y'all should, but I saw a million bid on CRVO at 14. Hopefully it's just, what's it called, spoofing, but made me a little nervous, so I'm gonna get out and re-enter around like 17 or something. Again, not trying to scare any of y'all out. I just tell y'all what I'm doing. So somebody had $1 million order waiting at 14, I think 20. So let's see if they, oh, it's gone. So I'm adding back. So come on, fade. If somebody was spoofing it. I hope that's the right word. Probably saying it wrong. Man, it'd be nice if it drops right here below VWAP.
It's fucking like staying strong, man. This shit is so annoying.
Yeah, somebody's trying to keep it up because there's definitely there's some big orders on the bid, but they disappeared. So maybe it drops now. Unless it, yeah, Trend Raider, I'll be all right. I already recovered 10K of it. So if I don't get it all back today, it's not the end of the world, but I'm already feeling better than where I was at.
I'm feeling like your world's gonna implode at fucking 4:30 in the morning.
So you entered the trade too early and the price kept rising. Now the price isn't falling below your stop loss or margin level, so you're stuck in the trade without being able to exit. Now I was able to exit. I just caught it back on the, I mean, it was hard to get out of this thing, but I played it back on the way I recovered the 10K was mostly bait. Once I saw weakness, I added to it. And then I took profit around like 70 because I knew there was a little bit of resistance here. See where it bounced. And then once it broke through that level, I added back to it. And now I'm just trading it on the fade.
There we go. We broke the lows. We're done.
Cool.
Oh, wait. Yeah. I'm red 2K and fucking CELC. And this motherfucker's just sitting. I need this thing to just come out of halt. It's been halted for almost an hour.
Yeah, just keep your eye on it. That's all I'll say. Oh, you'll be good, but phase 3, they with biotechs kind of popping this morning. Just stay close to it. But yeah, I hope that made sense. Alexandru, I'm probably saying your name completely wrong. Your name actually kind of looks like my wife's maiden name. She's Romanian. Ends with a U. Are you Romanian? Probably way off. Try to sound cultured, but I'm not. Let's see. Let's see if I'm right.
Dead.
Alexandru. Tell me if you're Romanian.
He said, I'm trying to sound cultured, but I'm not.
Now, my wife's always trolling me because she's Eastern European, so she knows about the world. You know how we are in the United States. Our world is the United States. We don't see much outside of it.
That's fucking funny. My wife's Cuban, bro. So I feel that. Totally different culture, but same. She grew up in Miami. Yeah, so she likes to, and she's older than me, so she likes to talk shit. always making fun of me.
That's hilarious. That's awesome, though.
How old are you, bro?
June turned 34.
Oh, we're not far off. I'm 30.
Yeah, you turn 30 this year, or are you gonna turn 31 this year? Oh,
no,
nice.
30 this year, January.
Nice. I don't know. I think I turned 34. I turned 34, 33, bro. I don't even keep track of this crap anymore.
Of birthdays?
Yeah. After 30, I was just like, I don't want to keep track of it anymore.
That's low key how I've been feeling. I'm like, man, I don't even want to fucking think about birthdays anymore, for real.
Life comes fast. Oh, STXS ended up, it did pop a little bit. Yeah, honestly, I don't think CRVO is going to fade that well until something else really pulls his attention, because phase 2 news will hang around sometimes. But I do think when CELC unhalts, it will pull the attention away from CRVO, though. Could be wrong, but I'll be adding to it. That's the first thing I'm going to do when this unhalts. CELC. I don't care where CRVO is at. That sounds ill-advised, but if it's testing, as long as it's not breaking new highs, because then it's bullish and it might keep the attention on it. But if it's hanging around anywhere from like 15 to like 13, yeah, I'll add to it.
ENTX.
ENTX.
Trug.
Oh, it's 8 o'clock. Oh, but that means some good PRs will come out. So this might actually be a decent time. See, or VO fades too.
MJID.
If something is worthy of attention.
STXS.
Oh, yeah. 55, 56, 57 press releases, and we're still counting.
Oh my God.
Sorry, guys.
CELC unhalted to it's at 49.50 right now.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, I was trying not to be doomsday, but this thing's going to keep going up, bro. I've seen a lot over the years. And if it's a halt in pre-market, it's usually not a good sign. You're lucky for y'all. That was actually, y'all might catch a break because it came out right when all those other PRs came out. If it would have came out by itself, it probably would have been even worse. If they would have released that thing at like 758 or something, but at least it's showing a little weakness now, so that's good. I mean, it's not breaking new highs, what Vape did to me earlier, so. Oh, it dropped all the way down to 15, then catapulted up. That's crazy. Dude, the PRs are thick right now. Sorry, guys, I'll mute that noise, but I like to know when they're coming out, but this is annoying at this point.
I cannot believe I pulled a U, bro.
How much are you down?
We're 25K.
So thanks for joining the live stream, guys. We'll teach y'all how to lose 25K a morning.
Oh my gosh, dude. Shot up 25. I was down 25K in less than a minute.
Yeah. It's honestly, like I said, but see what I was talking about, guys, with CRVO. So it was at $14 when that news came out and all the PRs. So that's not for me to say I told you so, but it's more to be like, hey, like a lot of times where the attention is going is not the play you need to be in. It's what's getting the attention stolen from it, if that makes sense. So CRVO has already dropped $1 since CELC unhalted and new PRs came out. 3,901 candle loss. Yeah, Saber, that's rough, bro. That's rough. Mm-hmm. You're all gonna be bloody today. Oh, and I am too. Look at Vape now. Look at it. I was, Jesus Christ.
God, it came back up fucking $30.
Yeah, yep, it did. Bro, God, what a crappy morning. My God. Now it's saying I don't have enough buying power to even add to the position. Great. Because I keep my account pretty small. Are you still in CELC?
CELC, yeah. No, I mean I got out after the 25, but because I couldn't withstand I didn't have enough buying power to withstand the drawdown, but I got back in. My average is not great, but I'm in the green. But it's gonna take a lot. It's gonna take a lot for me to get out of drawdown as far as buying power. So I'm just gonna see how this. It looks like it's gonna probably, from what it looks like, it's probably gonna fade for the rest of the day. So that's fucking insane.
Vape has a big ask on it, so it'll probably come down here, but but man, I went from up about 3K to down about 3K on that one now. Dang, what an ugly morning.
Yeah, not a good way to start the week, for sure.
Yeah, most of my buying power is locked up because I had such a big loss this morning. And for y'all that don't know, I keep a pretty small account for scenarios like this morning, just in case it gets out of control. TradeZero usually liquidate me. Somehow I didn't get liquidated. It was negative earlier. And I had 41K in my account. That's the scary part.
Yeah, that's insane.
But it didn't hold at that level. I was trying to get out the entire time too. So, but that's the scary thing about pre-market though. You can't do market orders because it'll say like your the price that you're trying to close it at is so far off from where it's at, it won't close. But if it's moving, $10 a second, it's hard to get in that range. Saber, you got in on the pop at 70. I think that was a very good play. Yeah, TradeZero is usually really quick to liquidate. So that's why I'm surprised they didn't. What would you do when it is negative? You owe TradeZero money.
Yeah, it's like being negative in your bank account.
And that's only happened to me once, one other time. And somebody from TradeZero called me. And I was like, I know, bro. I know. I was trying to play it cool too. I was trying to play it cool, like I wasn't like about to, jump off my roof. Yeah.
Fucking explode.
Yeah. He's like, I was like, it's all good, bro. It's all good. It happens. And he was just like, you're taking this well. I was like, yeah, I don't like to show on my cards. That's fine.
I'm fucking dead. He said, yeah, I know, bro. I know.
Yeah, that 76K loss was brutal. And I say these things to not to scare everyone, but y'all do have to realize shorting. I have made a ton of money shorting, but you have to be prepared for these black swan events. And I had one this morning. I made it. I survived it. I was only down 25K. I've made about. I'm about break even on vape now. So yeah, so now I'm only down 15K on the day, but like, just be aware, in pre-market, you don't have stop losses. So if they go against you, it can get ugly quick. So you were safe, Justin? Did you trim? Yeah, I'm good. I'm all right. The problem is I'm going to have trouble trading the rest of the day because I'm in so heavy with vape now. Basically used up all my buying power, and I don't use leverage. Again, that's for safety reasons. So my buying power is almost like I have $843 of buying power right now because everything else is in vape right now. Because this will fade. This will fade. I'm confident saying that. I'm not saying you should get a position because of that, but Monday with all these PRs coming out, we get stocks that are halting up, then pre-market. We got phase 2 news over here. I really do think people are going to forget about vape, but yeah, I'm in a little bit of a predicament this morning. So remember the synthetic stop loss guide that I posted just, oh yeah, that's right. You can, it's like a workaround for like stop losses you can use.
In pre-market?
Mm-hmm. Nestor posted about it in the discussion tab in Circle.
Oh, really?
We don't get notifications. I think I turned off notifications for that tab in the beginning because nobody ever sees when we post in there. But yeah, so, and Circle group is no longer open. We're going to be opening a Discord here August 16th to show you how to lose 25K in pre-market. So sign up. Now there's an email wait list. Not the best day to pump the group.
Yeah, come join the circle where we can lose 50K between 2 traders in less than an hour.
Oh god.
Oh man.
That's you gotta take the good swings and the bad ones. So I've had a good run here the last couple of weeks, so I was due for one of these, but man, I was hoping it wouldn't be like this. Ross is negative 35K, so I do not feel bad anymore. Dang, everybody, even the longs are getting.
Who's negative 35K?
Ross, the long small
Ross
cap.
Cameron.
Yeah. Dang, who's making money today then? I think me and you are pretty solid shorters, and Ross, he's a solid long small cap. So it's not us. Yeah, the problem with Ross though, he's negative 35K. He'll make like 200K tomorrow though. So 35 ain't much for maybe not 200, but I've seen him have. Or I've heard
he's had some bangers.
Yeah, like some solid 6-figure days. Yeah. Where my average is only like, I usually make 2 to 5K, 2 to 4K a day is kind of where I like to be. And that's by design. Once I get to 2 or 3K, I slow down and don't trade as heavy. But this week I might be trading a little heavier on the right setups.
Yeah, for sure.
Dang, CELC's trading sideways now, ain't it?
I know.
Man, that CRVO is a good retest, but again, I don't have any buying power. So yeah, sorry guys, this isn't probably the best live stream we ever had, but that's all right. You got to see the ugly side of it too. So
yeah, it can't be all fucking sunshine and rainbows for sure.
Dang, I closed out at MCVT too to go heavier in bait. And also, like me and Steven are discretionary traders too. If you're looking for somebody that's just like a set system, do X, you get Y result, like that's not necessarily us. We have our parameters for shorting and what we look for, but just want to make that very clear too. That's why we have like, we might have or Steven might have a 8K day, or he might have a 25K day. That's why I might have a 3K day, or I might have a 9K day. It really depends on what the market gives you. And my losses are bigger than they need to be at times. So this is something I'm still trying to dial in, which I have, but vape kind of got screwed on that one. Okay, I'm back up pretty good on vape now. I didn't close out on that pop. I just added. Y'all let me know if you want to see anything, but as of right now, to be honest, I'm just waiting for vape to fall. Stevens,
Waiting on CLC.
CLC, yeah. So it's probably going to be our main focus here.
That's really all I'm worried about right now. It's the only ticker I'm in. And I'm in like super heavy.
Same.
Well, not super heavy. It's pretty. My average is 44, and I'm in over 1,000 shares. So
What's the math? Let me do the math. That's what, 44,000?
yeah, I'm in about 62K.
You're heavier than I am in vape, but I'm in, let me see. I'm in about 20K right now. That's why all my buying power is used up.
Oh yeah.
I got both pulled up on the screen here now, so we'll keep an eye on them.
I'll be right back. I gotta use the bathroom.
Vape, Saber got in at 74, sold at 68. Nice. Remy, I was up 100 a share long on vape before I could think. It fell $70, then you bailed out. Dang, that's crazy.
Seems like everybody got smoked on vape this morning. No pun intended.
Right. I don't know if this is a sign. My two biggest losses have been vape and drug, DRUG. I'm in the cannabis industry, so I don't know if somebody's trying to tell me something. Yeah, I figured. I was hoping MCVT would fade today. That's why I was in it. I got in at this VWAP retest, but because I keep my account size small, I had to kind of liquidate positions for vape. And again, this isn't the best T10 day because you shouldn't go that heavy in just one ticker. I know where I'm going to stop out at. Like, I have a game plan here, but out of all the tickers, I think this one has the highest probability of fading. I could be completely wrong, but yeah. Wow, CRVO had a retest, wicked above it, and completely failed. It's a good sign, though, if you're short.
Fucking CLC is just like playing with me.
Are you in the money?
Yeah, I'm green, but
what's your entry?
44.89.
Nice.
But
Martin, you got in at 1647? Nice, bro. You caught the top. Oh, Ross lost even more, Saber. Dang. And I'm laughing just because that's crazy, not because he lost. I don't wish for anyone. I don't wish for anyone to lose.
He plays like the 5-second chart and shit too. Like he goes super heavy and he plays the second chart, like 10, 5 seconds.
For one time I was
So
watching, he was like in a 6-figure position on a ticker that had less than 500 share float. I'm just like, bro, you might have locked up the whole float.
right.
It's almost like a self-fulfilling prophecy with when you do that, and then all the people that are following you buy into it too. Like, yeah, it's going to go up. But not trying to discount him though. He's a solid trader, but I don't even know how he can get in some of these positions, in and out of them. It's crazy. But yeah, the 5-second charts and stuff, that's insane to me, especially since I'm a mobile trader. It's impressive because I never was good at going long. So people that are good at going long with small caps, I gotta respect their game. Saber, do you watch Ross just to see what he's doing, or do you trade long too? Or I always thought about that. I'm like, I probably should be doing the opposite of what Ross is doing. Vape starting to fade a little more, so I'm only down about 14K on the day. I was down about 25, now I'm down 14, so I don't expect to be green today, but if I can just get this to 5K loss, 9K loss, I'll be happy. Let's go, Martin. Somebody had to make money today. Good job. Be consistent, bro. And Martin, I gotta reach out to you. I'm not ignoring you about the TradeZella stuff. I do want to work with you this week on seeing how we can do that. I just got back to Sarasota yesterday. I was in Santa Rosa Beach all last week. Finally launching that property, but I'll reach out to you today, see how we can get that mentor thing going in TradeZella. Saber, and his scanner and news feed is only $19. What are you talking about, Saber? Oh, Ross? Trend Raider vape will fade the whole day. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I've seen these play out before, and that's what this is looking like. I just got in too early and too heavy because I thought right here when it was consolidating in the 60 to 70 range. I was good, but it blasted all. I'm green today, but LIDR screwed you Thursday and Friday, golden pin. Yeah, LIDR was a little bit of a tricky play. I had played it red and green. I think I was green overall in it, but it got me a few times where I had to bail.
Are you talking about their scanner and newsfeed is only $19?
Yeah,
Saber, are you talking about Ross? CELC is like playing with my emotions.
Yeah, I'm not trying to scare you out of it, but it definitely doesn't look bearish. hopefully it fell. As long as it doesn't break, what is that? As long as it doesn't break above 46.66, I think you're good. I'll be right back, bro. I'm gonna grab me a water. Exactly,
bro.
Martin. Who is Ross? We're shorts over here. Bears.
Right.
Nah, I respect Ross. I don't want to talk crap about any traders because going long on small caps is very challenging. Hence why I do shorting. I think it's easier to make money this way, but enough about Ross for today.
Right. Oh, it's 197. I thought you said it was. So it's a trial and you can active. Remy, the greatest penny stock trader of our time. He only goes long though. Yeah, I'd have to disagree. I feel like Tim Sykes is probably a better. Tim Sykes doesn't trade heavy, but Tim Sykes I think is a better trader. Just in my opinion.
I'm back.
What's up?
Oh.
I have a feeling CELC is gonna fade, but
Remy, I said enough about Ross. What were you saying?
No. Guy's staying on my display. Oh, I know. He's like the great penny stock trader of our time.
And like 5-10% of his followers are profitable. He's good though.
That's the thing is Ross has found what worked for him, and it doesn't really. I don't know that hyper scalping micro, like, I don't know. I mean, more power to him since he's made it work for him. You know, his story is like he turned like 580 something bucks into like over 10 mil.
Cool.
Yeah.
A lot of people's done that.
Yeah. Justin's like, God, get off his dick already. Jeez.
Yeah, for real. I've heard enough of Ross.
Yeah, that's why I said when you left, I was like, I think somebody said he's the best penny stock trader of our time, and I said I think Tim Sykes is a better trader personally.
I'll take Steven Dux.
Oh yeah, I totally forgot about Steven. Steven is probably, yeah. I'm gonna switch up on. I think that Steven Dux is probably the greatest of our time.
To your point, Sykes created a bigger movement, but
Steven Dux was Sykes' student too.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? But I think as far as like compounding and like just an overall trader, I think I'd have to agree with you. I think Steven Dux is the GOAT.
But yeah, Sykes, he's the one that kind of created the movement.
Yeah.
But he's again not throwing shade and stuff, but sometimes he will, like, I notice on X, he will like blast shorts these days. So it's almost like is he against shorting these days?
He's against shorting now. He only goes long now.
Interesting.
Yeah, which is so funny because he made his first million shorting penny stocks.
Wonder if that'll be my path.
Fuck no.
Nah, I don't think so.
Imagine being on the long side on CELC and vape though.
I know. Well, that's the thing about going long. You can definitely make money, but I'm way more consistent of a trade. And even like our group, look how many people are profitable in our group. You know what I mean? Like somebody that's in Ross's like group was telling me like 10%, like less than 10% of his traders are profitable. I think more than 10% of ours are. I think Ross is an amazing trader, better than me by a long shot, but it's hard to teach what he does though. You know what I mean? Like you got to be a beast to trade like him. And most of us aren't built that way. So,
right.
But again, no more Ross comments. He's gotten an hour of our time. If I see ROSS, if I see ROSS in the chat, I'm getting booted. Just kidding. I'm jaded today, bro. Whew, gosh, I can't believe I started my week off with a loss on vape, man.
Could be worse though.
Could be worse. No, all is good. God is good. I'm good. We chilling. We'll make it back. I don't let these losses get me down too much. Initially a little, but if I've recovered from a 70, actually 100K loss, because I made 25K later that week, I recover from that. I can recover from this because I'm only down about, vape is fading now, so I'm only down about 13K on the day now, but not how I drew it up. Remy, I like Justin better. There we go. Remy, I was just kidding, bro, about not bringing him up anymore. But I am glad you're back, Remy. I know you were out of it for a little bit. And you said you were 8% up last week, right? So that's solid, bro. Way to bounce back. Steven's booted.
God damn, market is like so slow right now. What the fuck? It was like going crazy, and now it's fucking nothing.
You still in CELC?
Yeah, I have a feeling it's gonna fade.
Good.
At some point, so I'm just gonna sit in it for real.
Honestly, I don't like the movement, but the problem is with this going bullish is a lot of these longs are going to get tired of it trading sideways, and they'll start closing out positions probably.
Yeah.
Did you see that they're potentially? Let me
VWAV.
Let me word this poetically, and I'll do it after this alert. VWAV up 46%. I can't play it because your boy's buying power's all tied up in vape. But
enters into $50 million equity purchase agreement with YA2PM.
Did I type it in wrong? Oh yes, VWAV. VWAV. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Boom. Remy, yes, I'm glad to be back. 8.3% last week and made 50% of my size this AM. Look at you go.
Damn, Remy.
I knew you had it in you.
It's a shame, bro.
Appreciate the heads up, Genric and CJ. Did Alexander ever tell me he was a Romanian or not? He done dipped out. I done offended him.
He said, "How fucking dare you?"
I'll never know.
And then he leaves the circle group.
He reaches out to TradeZero, cancels that affiliate link. Yeah.
Man, like damn.
Did you? So you still didn't get the trade ideas yet, right?
No, not yet.
Yeah,
I know.
wasn't trying to like. It was because, dude, I've gotten not to. We can save this for off air, but like I've gotten it with other ones, or I've gotten it with all the other three I have, but not trade ideas. So I was wondering if that's like actually tracking it or not, because somebody else said they used my link and it didn't register. So I was like, what?
Yeah, that shit was funny. I'm like, it made me laugh when you're like, "Oh, that makes more sense." I was like, "Damn, bro's trying to sling those services, isn't he?"
Bro, yeah.
No,
I was about to reach out to him like I did with old Alexandria. Like, bro, you better hook my people up.
Yeah, what the fuck? I'm sending people your way. I need my money.
Oh, you look, me, I am from Romania. Yes, let's go. Cultured over here. Now, that's cool, bro. I love all our international people. That's good stuff. International, y'all have better we have the stupid PDT here in United States, which might be changing soon, but nice. Yeah.
Golden Pin said Ducks made 10 million shorting one of these crypto treasuries.
Yeah.
He on that trade that he made 8 figures on, it was
BMNR or whatever it was.
Yeah. It was the first red day crack, and he shorted it at the open. But he made me laugh in the post. He was like, he paid $350,000 in locate fees.
I saw that. That's committed right there, bro.
Yeah. But I mean, if you've made over 50 million, 350,000 in locate fees and shit.
Good point.
Yeah, I gotta agree with Justin on that one. I think Ducks is the GOAT.
The problem is with him is I actually tried he had a little Discord group, but he's not like an active trader as like I think he used to be. He's very strategic about his entries now. So a little underwhelmed with his Discord group, but as a trader, he's a beast. He's a beast.
For sure.
And like I was saying to y'all guys, we closed Circle. But I have a wait list for when we open Discord. We'll open it back up. I got overwhelming amount of people reach out and tell me they would prefer to be on Discord than Circle. So making the move on August 17th, you need to give me a little bit more time because I got a few things. I got a dispensary to open before then and one more property to launch before then. So I would do it tomorrow, but don't have the time. But I'm actually looking forward to it. Steven might have a bigger role there too. Let's see.
Yeah, that's the goal. I want to be active and get education, and we got a lot of good stuff planned in the background. I won't get into it too much, but me and Justin have been corresponding for some time now about how we want to. He's so kind as to ask me to be a big part of this. So we're going to try to make it one of the best Discord groups around.
And yeah, because it's crazy the community we built in Circle though. Like I would have never guessed everyone would support.
In just a short time too.
Bro, like everybody has their personalities, everybody has their their trading styles. That's what I like. I'm glad because like even me and you, we trade completely different. Our goal's the same. Short trash companies down, but our entries are different. So I think then like Martin is super fundamental, and then we have some people that's not fundamental at all. So it's kind of interesting how we're all trying to achieve the same goal.
Yeah.
I've been tweaking my strategy a lot over the last 3 or 4 months because most of y'all know in January had an amazing, between January and February, it made over 100K just between those 2 months. But then March up until now, I'm profitable, and I'm definitely profitable, but not. It's been a lot more painful of a journey because things like vape keep happening. So I just got to dial in some of these outlier events. And then Steven over here, freaking beast mode. I think he's at 1 million this month, right?
Not even close. And especially after that 28K loss on fucking. Yeah, it's not looking good.
You're a beast, though. You're a beast. You'll make it back.
Appreciate it. Yeah, it's not looking too great right now, but it's fine. I'll make it back, and I'm gonna hold on CELC and see what happens. But I should make. If I stay 5 figures red today, I'll probably. Well, there's still after hours too, but I'll probably end up making it back by the end of the week, maybe.
Yeah, you will.
Even if I'm just break even.
Oh yeah, no, you will, bro. Your recovery they're pretty quick. Ian, Canada doesn't have the PDT rule. Yep. Only USA, I think.
We're the only ones.
And Alexandru, if I'm sorry if I'm saying your name wrong, but yeah, the only reason I brought that up was because I don't know if you heard me earlier, my wife's Romanian and her maiden name looked very similar to yours. So I was like, I wonder if it's Romanian. Sorry, guys. I'm still stuck on these two. These are the ones me and Steven care the most about right now, vape. And I'm kind of at a pivotal point with vape. I might actually take profit here and then just re-add if it breaks, to be honest. Because it's hesitating a little bit here, and I really can't afford for this to reverse on me. So I close out right here. If it breaks below like 40, yeah, if it breaks below 43, I'm just going to add back to it. Getting a little bit of red candle there, Steven.
On
CLCO. Not that intense, but it's just been trading sideways. But now we're getting a couple red candles.
Oh yeah, it hella broke through. That's what I was hoping to see, though.
Whew, my real eyes looks a lot better than it did. Man. Oh, I got to go get my charger. I'll be right back. But yeah, seeing my account negative today, that was
insane.
I'm surprised TradeZero didn't liquidate it. I'm glad they didn't, though.
Yeah, if they would have liquidated you, it would have changed everything.
Yeah. I usually like that feature, but I'm glad it didn't work this time.
I think this is where we fade on CELC.
No, there's a good chance, bro. That's why I brought it up. I think it'll at least test VWAP soon, I think.
Yeah. It
might, but to your point, it could fade here, but I think you'll at least minimal get a VWAP test or something. But anyways, I'll be right back. I gotta get my charger.
All right. So VWAV is also kind of patterned around the top. I'm gonna try to. I'm at my average is 409, so we're kind of sitting around my average. I want it to break this low that it's about to touch at the 399 level, 3.4 exactly. Yeah. And then if we break that, I'll have confidence that we can get down to these two lows right here at the 393 and 390 level. Probably shoot for 390 more so. If we can get past this little zone, I have have a good feeling about this because it's just steady green candles like all the way up. Steady green on the 1 minute, which is really what I love to see. And then we have this sharp red candle on the other side and kind of slow. We got the low, then the high. Now we're waiting for the break of the low, and that gives me confirmation that we're in the right spot. So, and there we go. There's the break.
What y'all looking at?
I'm looking at VWAV. It just, oh my God, it just reclaimed all that it just went down on.
A lot of these have been faking us, doing a lot of fake outs today.
Oh, thanks, Remy. Yeah, Remy said, I like the transparency, Steven. No one is Superman or Superwoman when it comes to the market. Yeah, dude, I've had a pretty amazing month, but today was a real reminder that I am not invincible. Today, if I stay where I'm at today on my realized gains, oh my gosh,
VWAV.
we just broke highs. I am,
One of those days, huh?
yeah, it's not good today.
Honestly, I think me and you both are great short sellers, but this is a good reminder, like Steven's saying, like we're shorting small caps, guys. Like even the best, just don't get discouraged for these red days because you're going to have them. You're going to have them. So where's this thing going? Let's see. Dang, there's not really much. There's a wick down. There's a wick down here at $5, so maybe $5, and that's a psychological level. If it gets to $5, I might look to add there, honestly. Bro, CELC ain't, it's just like trading sideways. It's crazy to me.
Completely sideways.
Now that I liquidated or closed out my vape position, I might look to get into VWAV. I'm gonna let it get a little bit higher though. I mean, hopefully it doesn't if y'all are in it, but if it gets to 5, I'll look to enter. Yeah, Saber, you said 550. Yeah, that's probably where I'm looking to. I need to set an alert if vape gets to 55. I won't re-enter. I'm glad I went ahead and closed out that position on vape because that is going to turn into a little support area for whatever reason. Dang, VWAV making new highs. Well, we got a ton of press releases today. This is just being transparent, I get a little cautious about entering positions 8:30 to 9:30 because data shows I'm not as consistent during this. I think because when things get bullish during this time frame, they continue bullish at least until market opens, and sometimes even after market opens. So I've been playing pretty heavy today, so I'm probably gonna go a little bit lighter on this one because I can breathe again. But and this is pretty decent news too. 50 million equity line. Oh, it's just an equity line. So basically, they're borrowing money, 50 million to accelerate AI-driven defense platform. The problem is there's big keywords: 50 million AI and defense platform. So
Yeah, they psych everybody out with those words.
yeah, it's definitely not a badly worded PR. But all they're really saying is that they've taken out a massive amount of money, debt, to fund it. It's not like it. I don't know. If you read past the keywords, it doesn't seem that great. Let's just say that. I'm in it.
Oh
I got
my
in
God.
at 495. Dang, bro. What's your plan? Are you adding here or you?
Yeah, I added.
Yeah, I think if it fails, it might fail here, but as you know, that's not guaranteed. TradeZero auto liquidate does not work pre and post market. They've okay. No, yeah, I don't even use that feature, but there's been times where they've manually liquidated me in pre-market before, like close out my position. I think because it was at 4 a.m. I don't know if anybody was like, I don't know if anybody's monitoring that, but I've had a position, because technically TradeZero says if anything goes against you 25% or 50%, they have the right to liquidate you or something crazy like that. And they've done it before, but it wasn't at 4 a.m. So, but yeah, I don't even have the auto liquidate turned on. They liquidate on margin call only. Got it. Yeah, I don't use margin, but I have a margin account, so maybe that's why they did it. I don't know. Yeah, vape is bouncing too. I'll be looking for another entry here soon.
Big red candle at the top. That's what I want to see. And CELC is dropping.
Oh, nice. If that one goes your way, that sure will help.
Fuck yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna recover all of the money that I lost, which is fine. But as long as I can get, I just want to get, I want to get below where I'm at.
Totally.
But even if I got like $20 in the green per share, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
We need to break through VWAP, and then I'll feel way more comfortable about it.
Yeah, for sure. I'm back in vape. Probably got in a little premature, but back in it.
Raven, good morning. Trend Raider, good job. Small profits.
So I entered a little more here, and then I got another entry at 54.95. Once I get up there. No, Alexandru, it's the way the names end with a U. I'm not trying to say my wife's name. She's pretty private, so, but it's the Alu end, the LU. I just don't see a lot of names that end like that. Well, VWAV looking a little better.
Is it? There we go. If we can break this little area, the 430s, I want to see 432 broken. If we can break 432, I'll feel way better about it. Might even add.
So my second fill for vape just got filled, so I'm hoping for a reject here. Oh, CLC did. Yeah, it's went straight to VWAP. Remy, what do you think of CELC? It had some halts pre-market. Yeah, Steven's in it.
Oh my God, it's going back up.
Was it CELC? Dang, that's a strong move up too.
Yeah, I just lost about 4K in profit. And it's continuing. And now I'm in the red.
That is a strong move. Jeez. Oh no, it broke above that one candle too. What is that? 46.20? Well, VWAV is going your way. VAPE turned out to be a pretty good ad at VWAP, so it's hoping for rejection there. So yeah, Remy, be cautious with CELC. Anything something halts in pre-market, bro, it's going to get attention. And phase 3 news. I mean, so just be cautious if you enter it, especially after this most recent move. Steven was playing it good, but now that it's broke a new high, it looks questionable. Or not, I shouldn't say a new high, but over some of those previous wicks.
Yeah, it's not looking too good now. If we touch here and we don't close above it, that'd be good, but
I went ahead and closed out at VWAV. It's been honoring the VWAP too much for me to risk it. So If it pops back up to 5, I'll re-add. If it breaks below 4 and holds, I'll probably add some to it. But I'm out for now. Got out at 422.
AIM.
AIM. I guess AIM. And guys, if you like these alerts I get, they're pretty helpful. I use trade ideas for my alerts. Man, I wish my buying power wasn't all tied up. This looks like this might be a good play.
I don't see it.
AIM. I'm not entering it. I mean, ooh, jeez. It'll steal attention away from other things, so that's good. What's the news? Anybody got the news? I know I have stock titans up, but I'm trying to enter it.
No news.
Really?
And it just skipped up. It doesn't say any news.
Oh my gosh, I'm about to get creamed by this one too. Ooh, are you in it, Steven?
Mm-hmm.
Where's your entry?
36 flat.
Oh, you a beast, bro. How much you enter?
500 shares.
That was a hell of an entry, bro.
I don't know how
it didn't
I
even get
caught
up to
it.
36. You got 36. That's crazy, bro.
It says 36 on mine.
Oh, I believe you, bro. But I'm saying trading view didn't even pick it up. That's impressive. I'm not even. So what did it do to vape? What did it do to? Okay, yeah, it stole attention away from most everything. Everything that we were looking at had a nice red candle after that. Oh no, I should have probably closed my profits. It just has so much to give back, but I probably should cover some. Dude, that was a crazy. And you always giving me love for my entries, bro. That was clutch.
Thank you, bro. I'm like trying to micromanage this position right now because it's like really volatile.
I know. This is exactly how Bait got me. I saw a move like this, didn't take profits, and then it went against me. So I went ahead and took profits on mine. I know I gave up a lot of potential drop, but
Oh, I'm green and everything now.
that's what I'm saying. Like when these things steal attention like that, bro, it's sure. So you're up with CELC.
Yeah.
Oh,
again,
that was a
finally.
nice red candle. Nice. Good job, bro.
Yeah, I'm up. I'm 12K in unrealized profits right now, but that could change very soon.
Are you still in VWAV?
Yes. There's still no news on AIM.
I mean, those usually fade, but
yeah, but when?
Yeah, I don't want to promise anything. Oh,
I'll
this
be right
looks
back.
good.
I gotta use the bathroom.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw that CJ phase 2 pancreatic cancer news. I was no, I haven't been saying much. I've been thinking about re-entering it, but I might hold up. Kind of go back what I was saying. Focus on the other tickers.
I'm back. How's it going?
Trying to decide if I want to re-enter AIM or not.
AIM is phase 2 pancreatic cancer news. A lot of fucking biotechs, bro.
Yeah, you're right. You are right. Did you close any CELC?
Yeah, close to 200 shares.
Nice. Good. Man, there's going to be so many retests during market hours. Who knows? Since I'm so behind, I might end up playing market hours some. But yeah, there's a lot of stocks moving today.
Yeah, it's been a crazy Monday.
And I'd be sitting really good if I didn't. They didn't screw me, but that's part of it. But I wouldn't have played this aggressive if they didn't. So,
Right.
so I realize now I'm down 12K. So,
Oh, that's really good.
compared
From
to
where you were at. That's
20,
yeah, that's really good.
compared to 25, it is, but still painful.
Yeah, I was at 31 and now I'm at 24. So.
Nice. Vape, I don't like what it's doing though. I was hoping it would just cleanly fail. It might stress me out a little bit here. Let's see. I'm going to add, I got out of VWAV, so I'm about to add some more on this VWAP test. 120 subs so far. Appreciate you guys subscribing. Even though it's been an ugly morning, hopefully you learned some things and what not to do and what to do. Appreciate the likes as well. Hopefully y'all are in a little bit better position than I'm at, though, but who knows? There might be a good recovery coming. We'll see. I put my money on Steven, though.
Yeah, I don't know. It's not looking too good. Everything keeps going against me today, bro. Everything I get into goes against me.
Is AIM? Oh my gosh. AIM is back up there?
Yeah.
That is crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, story of my life, dude. I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably not gonna play market open. I might just
call it a day.
Yeah.
I don't blame you, bro. I almost did that. I almost didn't even jump on this live stream, so I get it.
Yeah, I think I might just call it a day and then wait until after hours and try to play. But it's not looking too hot. Everything I touch, I'm not playing. I'm not trading normally how I would because I'm down so much. I'm trying to hold and I'm not taking his profits as fastly as I usually would because I'm trying to get as much as I can back, but it's not really working in my favor. So
I get that, bro.
These stocks are so volatile right now.
Dude, crazy day. Dang, CLC, that for it to be, it must have a decent float. Let me pull this thing up. Like, it's just not moving that much. What is the float on this thing? Yeah, it's got a 30 million float. So it's gonna be stuck. It's gonna be stuck right here for a little bit.
Look at AIM now.
Oh, I took profit at VWAP too. That's all right. But like you were saying though, but after what happened to vape, I've been taking profits kind of quick, securing it because, dude, I keep having flashbacks. I was up a couple grand on vape, and then I turn my head and I'm down 25K. Dang, even VWAV is retesting again. Jesus.
CELC's back up at the highs it just touched a little bit ago.
Oh, jeez. Vape's going against me a little bit too. I thought for sure that would be the last. Well, not for sure, but I'm surprised that it's back up here. Man, vape has put me on a emotional roller coaster today. From that first move to that random pop at 8, now it's like testing VWAP again. Gee, and now it's busting above it. I got to get out of this thing. I've been too heavy. I don't see if it respects that 50 EMA, but probably not. WAV going against me now.
CELC's touching the highs again. Just broke through that level.
That's wild, bro. It's crazy to me that people are actually buying VAPE right now with all this like good PRs out there. But I haven't closed out of vape yet. I don't think it's going to bust through, but I'm a little concerned with VWAV though, breaking back above VWAP. Maybe it rejects here though. I don't know if vape is one I want to hold through market open though, because that thing could go crazy.
How I'm feeling about CELC.
Now I'm out of vape. It hurt me. Dang. Problem is, I'm so heavy with some of these positions now, more than I don't really have room to let them play.
Right.
Like I like to, you know. But all good. All good. We'll get. Like I said, I was due one of these days, so I'll figure it out.
I need us to break this low.
Ooh, Brandon Hughes has a good point. CLC is 81% institutional ownership, and they have that big of a float. I know your stuff. I know you know your stuff, Steven, but I don't know if that one's gonna fade, bro.
I'm probably gonna get out of it. I'm like 1,200 in profit. I just got out.
Yeah, I don't blame you for that one. I don't like saying that because watch it market open, it just freaking tanks. But
well, if it tanks at market, if it breaks the lows in at 40, 41 if it breaks that low, because I have a feeling that it'll shoot up. Like it'll shoot up off market open to these highs where these wicks are at, and then start to make its grind down. If it does that, I'll put a position on, and then if we break these lows down here, then I'll add. But I don't know, man.
Yeah, that sounds like a good plan.
Yeah, I'm fucking bummed out, man. Fucking.
Dang.
But I am 6K in profit on AIM though.
Nice. Did it end up fading some more? Oh,
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I should have held on to that.
VWAV is starting to drop again.
Yeah, that's the only two I'm in. That's why I'm being selfish and only showing those two. VWAV and Vape. I re-entered Vape at 59. I need to leave it alone, but I'm back in it. If it breaks over 60, I'm cutting. Vape will fade, but is it going to put us on another run beforehand? Hopefully not. Yeah, I'm probably going to end up holding both these at market open. And if they start going against me, I'm going to get out quick. But the part that kind of sucks is, we talked about this before, Stephen, usually the first move is the fake out move. But with a low float like VAPE, you can't even take that risk, because if it's not a fake out, you're cooked.
Yeah, you're right.
Because if it halts up on that fake out move, it's going to keep going up. And with this range all the way up to 200, it could be a disaster. So I don't know. I'll think about if I'm going to hold it or not. It seems like there's probably too much risk versus reward, to be honest. I'm just surprised anybody's still trading this with everything else between AIM and VWAV and CLC. Quick question. What tools do you use besides AskEdgar and StockTitan as sort of AI tools for stock news alerts and research? So you'll see in the link, the thing that shoots out the alerts that says the ticker's name, that's Trade Ideas. I hands down think it's the best screener in the game and alerts. It has like AI features too, where it has somebody used to bring it up on here. I don't know if it was who it was, but like it has something called like Holly and a few other AI tools, backtesting. I think it's pretty good, but I'm gonna be honest, I don't use very many of the tools besides the backtesting and the stock alerts. But if you like my screener criteria for the alerts, just let me know and I can shoot you the downloaded files. All you have to do is upload it and you can just plug it into your screener if you're interested. But everything that's in my affiliate link that's everything I use. The only other thing that I use that's not an affiliate link is StockTitans. But the most important is obviously TradeZero. My second most important tool is trade ideas, because that's where I get all my alerts. Because I don't like staring at a screen all day. I do this for y'all, live streaming, but normally I'm not glued to a chart. I'm usually doing other things, and then when that screener shoots out a name, I'll come play it, especially during the day. But besides that, that's all I use. Vape backside looks good for shorts. Does not have painted lower highs, which can create volume. Yeah, I'm in it, and I'm sitting. I re-entered at 59, so I'm up like 2K on it right now. But I'm trying to debate if I want to close it, because I'm down to 12K. I'm only down 12K on the day, and that's much better than 25K. So it's kind of like a risk versus reward for me, because I might play it at market open, but if it starts going against me, I'm cutting immediately, because the range is all the way up to 200. So yeah, no problem. But yeah, feel free to reach out if you do get it, though. I don't mind sharing my configuration. They make it pretty easy. I can download it. I have it downloaded. I've sent it to a few people already. It just makes it where you don't have to stare at the screen all day.
No, not yet. Let me go get you breakfast.
Thanks for the heads up, Remy. I agree. I'm probably going to end up cutting, or at least trimming half my position, because these are the two I'm in, and they're both not really fading like I'd like them to. So, but I do like that this is if it falls back below VWAP, I'll feel better about it. AIM is looking weak. The market opens just around the corner, so anything can happen. Weak stocks can look strong soon, and strong stocks can fade. So 9:30 to 9:45. I know y'all know this. It is very, very, very volatile. Golden Pin, appreciate it. Appreciate it. Now, I honestly don't like trading as heavy as I've been trading, but
Y'all ready for market open? Y'all ready to lose all your money?
I hope not. I went ahead and closed half my position with VAP. I just can't risk it. If this thing goes against me, it's going to get ugly.
Let's see what CELC does at open. Because if it does what I want it to do, I'm going to get back in. Ooh. And we're off.
Come on, VAPE, VWAP. I'm out of vape. Yeah, good, bro. Yeah, find whatever works for you. Whatever works for me might not work for you, and whatever works for you might not work for me. So I've tried out a bunch of tools. This is my ones I like in my arsenal. So as long as it works for you, sets you up to succeed, that's what matters. Dang, then VAPE. Then it halts down, and I didn't get in it. Oh, well.
That's cool. AIM halted up.
Dang, I didn't get in, but I'm out of 8 though, but that's all right. How is CELC doing? Kind of hanging around.
Yeah. It's gonna fade though. That's cool. I've already got back 10K of what I lost this morning, so that's good.
Yeah, it halted, Raven, but I already bailed on it. Ooh, nice move down by VWAV. Broke a new little, it broke below this previous candle wick down, so that's a good sign. CELC starting to come down.
Yeah. BWAV is coming down too. I'm feeling pretty good about all my positions right now.
Good.
I usually don't even play open, but I kind of had to. They kind of forced my hand.
Yeah, I'm probably not going to play much more after open because I can tell I'm already revenge trading a little bit. It's went my way, but I don't. If I end up back to where I started, I'm gonna be pissed. So after I decide what I'm gonna do with VWAV, I might call it a day. Just have to live with where I'm at.
I got a feeling we're about to break these lows too.
On which one?
BWAV.
Yeah, same. Honestly, kind of curious to see what vape does when it unhalts. Does it break new lows or does it hit that 44.50 resistance and bounce? Ooh, VWAV. Thank you, my friend. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna take partials on that. CELC's dropping too. We're about to break below VWAP.
Nice, Remy. Yep, CLC. Let's see what it does.
All right, I'm only down to 15K realized negative.
Let's go.
But I'm gonna definitely need a nap after this.
Oh, mentally exhausted too, bro. I hear you loud and clear.
It's so funny how we both had red days like this. Like it's such a rarity for both of us.
Yeah.
ANGH.
Not happy about it, but again, big on not dwelling on crap, but it is. I'm frustrated, to say the least.
So
Vape on halted. I'm in it again.
ANGH.
ANGH. Y'all hear it. I'm not interested right now because I'm focused on this position. Come on, Vape. Let's break through. Bless you.
thank you.
I'm out of vape. Just made like $200 on it. Nothing crazy. I don't like the price action. I wanted it to fail pretty quick. I'm glad I got out of vape. I think it's halting up now. Yeah. Down to 11.5 realized. I might just have to live with this. I might call it a day.
It's good, bro.
Nice. Good job, guys. Remy, Ian. Sounds like y'all played it nice.
You said you're at 11.
I'm what'd you say?
What are you at 11?
Yeah.
Good shit, bro. You getting off?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna wrap up here, guys.
Yeah, me too.
Well, thanks for tuning in to a little chaotic morning. Not how we wanted to start our Monday off, but this is the reality of day trading. So all good. Appreciate you for hopping on. Thanks for the likes, subscribes. Steven, sign off.
Yeah, I'll text you later, bro.
All right. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate you, Steven. And I'll see y'all next time.
See you guys tomorrow.
All right, bye.